The Lorenzo Schlichter Memorial Cemetery, or also known as Child's Play Cemetery, is named after Lorenzo Schlichter, a farmer born in Germany in 1822. He came to the United States in 1839. He married Margaret in 1847. They had 7 children. After Margaret's passing in 1872, he married Caroline in 1873. They had 1 child. Lorenz passed away in 1906. He was 84. The Heddens family had established the cemetery when James Heddens died, but failed to officially name it, although it was at times referred to as Fairview Cemetery. The property was purchased by Schlichter, and the cemetery is known as the Schlichter Cemetery. The cemetery has about 118 graves. Local legend says if you drive your clean car to this cemetery and sit for about 5 minutes, you may hear a loud thud on your vehicle. You then drive away. You will find a large handprint on the back of your window and several child-sized handprints all over the car.